It's a story about a man who's going to ferry a 210 Cessna to Europe. And we're not going to disclose his name because that's private. But anyway, it's a beautiful aircraft. And it's got long-range tanks, 3-blade propeller. And it's going to go to Europe. What's cool about this airplane is it's got an additional fuel tank, auxiliary fuel, 29 gallons, and it's ready for a flight to Europe from US. So good luck to everybody, and we'll keep you updated on whether this plane makes it successfully to its destination. But it's a beautiful 210 Cessna with a Continental engine. It's got all the updates, retractable gear, Continental engine, 310 horsepower, and a Macaulay pulp, and that's about it. And it's a beautiful, beautiful bird. That's out for now. US to Europe. Over and out.